Hello everybody, it's Rich 220, and I just wanted you to see that I actually did some more painting. Taped everything off. I still got a little bit to do over here, but I want the hood to dry, so that way I can, or the trunk lid to dry, so that way I can wet sand it. And I even got in between here, so I might have to use a little steel wool in order to get the overspray off of that. But I even did these. Got a little bit of a run on this one, but nothing wet sanding won't help. And that one there. And then I did the hood again, so that way it's got more than one coat on it, because I want to get this thing looking decent before I take it off the jack stands and wind up putting it in the carport. So yep, that's the front. I still got to clear some stuff off the windshield, even though you cover it with paper. I guess somehow the dust of it actually finds a way of getting in, so it's not going to be as hard cleaning that off as it is doing actual paint removal. So yeah, then I gotta do some adjustments down here on the door and kind of make them more flush, and then I'll have to paint that again. But yep, trying to make it look nice. That's the whole point behind me taking my time. So that's what I've been up to. You know, gotta make her look good. Don't want her looking like garbage. Don't want it looking like that. So yep, that's what I've been up to. And that's the only video we're going to do for today. I'm not going to do a whole slew of them, but if you look, try and get the back end and the side, you can see the reflection off the side. So once I get done wet sanding the trunk lid, it'll look like that too, and so will the hood. And it's more than one coat, so it's not considered one stage. Alright everybody, it's another short, but you know, I'm keeping you guys informed at least anyway. I know it ain't much for content, but when you're working on one car at a time, you really don't have much as far as content goes. So, you know, and I'm taking my time with it, and you know darn well I want to make sure it's done right and not done halfly, you know. So, alright. Don't forget to like and subscribe, leave a comment down below, and hit the bell for post notifications. And I'll see y'all later. Bye.